In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload file in shared Google Drive link. By the end, you'll have successfully uploaded a file to a shared Google Drive folder using the link you were given. First, open the shared link. In your browser, click or paste the shared Google Drive link you received. The folder will open in Google Drive. Make sure you see the correct shared folder so your file goes to the right place. Next, sign into Google account. If you're not already signed in, click sign in at the top right and log in with your Google account. This connects the upload to your account and ensures you have the right access. If you're already signed in, you can continue. Now click New. You'll find the New button near the top left of the Drive page. If you don't see it, you may not have permission to upload to the shared folder. Otherwise, go ahead and click it. From the menu, click File Upload. This opens your computer's file picker so you can choose exactly what you want to upload. Select File. In the file window, browse to the file you want to add to the shared Google Drive folder. Click the file once to highlight it so you're sure you've chosen the correct one. Click Open. This starts the upload to the shared folder immediately. Wait for upload. Watch the progress panel in the bottom right corner of Google Drive. You'll see the upload bar move as the file transfers. Larger files can take longer, so keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page until it finishes. When it says Upload Complete and the file appears in the folder list, you're done. And that your file is now uploaded to the shared Google Drive link and available in that shared folder for people who have access to it. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.